Hey, in this Camtasia tutorial I will show you how to add motion blur in Camtasia, and we'll use an arrow. For the sake of this tutorial, let's try to animate this, and I will show you how the motion blur will come in hand. So let's put for now the arrow right here, okay, on the timeline. Let's drag it to the left. Let's go to animations, custom one. I would like to make it, I think 15, yeah, 15. Let's split here the arrow, copy the animation, click on it, and Ctrl V now, and let's put it right, maybe right here for now. At the middle here between the animations, let's place it right in the middle, okay? And before the animation, before the last one, let's drag it all the way to the maximum on the right, and let's see how it plays. Okay, maybe I can shorten the duration. Let's go to 10. Okay, no, maybe 12. Okay, and this one also 12. And you can notice we have no motion blur. So let's add some motion blur to it. Right click on the PNG or the text or whatever. You can add motion blur to basically anything in Camtasia Studio. Go to add visual effects, and here you can find motion blur right here. Let's select it and let's hit play now. Alright, it's much beautiful. And also you have the intensity right here at Properties. Just make sure the photo is selected. You also can find the motion blur right here. And let's go to intensity, I think 200%. Okay, that's exaggerated. Okay, maybe I think with 70% will do. Okay, now it's much better. So this is how to add motion blur in Camtasia Studio. And by any chance, if you'd like to remove now the motion blur effect, just select the motion blur from here, press on this pointing up arrow, click on the motion blur, and now hit delete on your keyboard, and now we don't have motion blur anymore. So this is how to add motion blur in Camtasia Studio. I hope it helped, and I hope you have a great day.